In this video, I am going to show you how to invite friends in Worldcoin app. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So here is how to invite friends in the Worldcoin app. You need to first download and verify your World ID using the app and ORB. So here is a more detailed breakdown. Download and verify. Download the Word app and complete the Word ID verify process, H and ORB. Find the referral code. Once verified, locate the referral code within the Word app. Share the code. Share your unique referral code with your friends. And then friends verification. After that, earn rewards. Once your friend completes the verification, both of you will receive WLD tokens. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.